Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a pizza omelette. It's a fun way to enjoy your favorite pizza toppings in a low carb keto friendly way in an omelette. So I'm going to get on and make it, and I've written a full blog post with the recipe which I will leave down below for you, and make sure to leave a like, subscribe for more videos, and a comment to let me know what you thought of this pizza omelette and your favorite pizza toppings. So let's get on and make our omelette. I will show you how to prepare it. And these are all the ingredients you need. I've got eggs over there. I'm going to whisk them up with some cream, and I've got this pasta sauce. You could use a pizza sauce, you could make it yourself with some chopped tomatoes and a bit of oregano, basil, garlic, whatever you like, but that's my favorite one, so I'm just going to use a bit of that. We've got cheese and oregano, but if you want to include any of your favorite pizza toppings, fry up some veggies or some meat or salami, pepperoni, anything you want to include, do that first. But I'm just going to keep it simple with sauce and cheese and oregano. So I'm going to get on and whisk up some eggs with cream for my omelette. Now I'm making this just for me this morning, so I've got 3 eggs and a couple of generous splashes of cream, and we're just going to whisk up the eggs and cream together until smooth. And I've got some butter melting in the frying pan behind me, and we're going to start cooking our eggs. Just pour the eggs into the frying pan, and I like to give it a minute or so to set, and then I like to move the inside out and the outside in and just get it cooked through in all little corners. And then once it's kind of ready, we'll start putting some filling in. You can see I've got one side starting to set over here, so we're going to start putting our filling in, starting with a tablespoon and a half or so of our sauce. Put as much as you want in, and I'm just going to kind of spread it over half of my omelette so it's got that lovely kind of base. You could actually fill your entire omelette with pizza toppings and a pizza base and then pop it under the grill, but I am just using my frying pan. I'm going to fold it over, and quite happy to enclose all of my flavors in my omelette here. And next add generous few handfuls of grated cheese, and I've got some oregano in as well. I'll give that a second or so, and then I'm going to fold the omelette over. That's looking amazing, smelling amazing too. I'll give it another minute or so and then move it off onto a plate. And my pizza omelette is done. Look at that. Kind of looks a bit like a pizza, doesn't it? But as I said, you could keep it open and pop it in the oven and cook it like a pizza, and you'll end up with a beautiful low carb and keto friendly pizza with all your favorite pizza toppings. But mine is just cheesy and looks so good. And I hope you've enjoyed watching this video. Make sure you leave a like, subscribe for more videos, and leave a comment too. Let me know your favorite pizza toppings, and if you give this a try, what you think of it. And remember to check down below for the link to the blog post with the full recipe that you can pin on Pinterest, bookmark, or save for whenever you want to make this easy breakfast idea. So thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again soon. Bye.